Hey guys, I think I found the right tree for the ridge beam on the cabin. So we're going to go down here, take a look at it, see if we can't get it on the ground, get it prepped. Yeah, so here it is. I think it looks pretty good. It's pretty straight. It's nice and long. I think I want it to be somewhere around 22 feet long. So I have a little bit of an overhang on each side, each end of the cabin. All right, let's get it chopped down, get it ready to go. Alright guys, that's about it for today. We got the ridge beam log prepped, so that can be drying. I'm going to try a couple new products today. I got this NUUN or NUUN hydration tablets. You just pop them in about, let's see, it's 20 ounces, 16 ounces of water. They dissolve. These ones here are lemon lime. And I also have some field trip maple barbecue pork jerky. We'll give that a try. pretty good. So that's about all we got time for today. Next time we'll get up here, we'll get a little bit more done. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
I'm setting up a flip-flop winch. This is an old school way of moving heavy objects. And what I have here is the rope is tied to the log we need to move. The other end is attached to a solid object. And then you take two poles. One is called the barrel pole and one is called the lever pole. The basic principle here is you're using the lever pole to wrap the rope around the barrel pole and in turn moves the object. There is plenty of videos on YouTube that detail exactly how this works, and if you want more information you can check those out. Basically I'm just showing you here me using it to get this tree up closer to the cabin site. Here is a couple things to keep in mind. You have to use a strong enough rope that doesn't stretch, because a stretchy rope, if it does break, will tend to snap back and you could get injured. Also, one mistake I made here, I left the overhang too much, which made the winch rise up before it fell down. So you want to cut those closer to each other. Also keep in mind, this style of winch is very dangerous and could be hazardous to your health, especially out in the wild. Also keep in mind that this winch does work, but it took me over an hour just to move this log 22 feet. You can see here with each cycle of the winch, the log only moved a few inches each time.
Man, that was good.
And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Please hit that subscribe button. Thanks.